Hello everybody, my name is Inyaman Utama Jagadita. In this video, our group will be discussing about our perception of civics as a learning material in our college. Thus, I welcome you to the rest of my group as well as their perception of learning civic education. As for me, civic education has been well perceived and taught to us to understand the better of our government and the rest of our country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananda Artibidikdo, and today I want to talk about my perception of civic learning. For me, learning about civics is crucial because it shapes us into informed and responsible citizens. And in this case, it shapes us into informed and responsible Indonesian citizens because we learn about Indonesian civics. Understanding our rights, duties, and how our government works not only empowers us but also strengthens our democracy. Civic learning goes beyond textbooks. It teaches us about our role in society and how we can contribute positively to our community. By learning civics, we become more aware of social issues, justice, and the importance of active citizenship. As Indonesians, civic learning helps us navigate complexities in our society, from understanding local governance to participating in elections. It's about knowing our rights to education, healthcare, and justice, and advocating for those who need support. Ultimately, civic learning fosters a sense of unity and responsibility. It encourages us to engage in dialogue, respect diverse opinions, and work towards common goals for a better Indonesia. So, let's embrace civic learning as a pathway to becoming informed, engaged, and responsible Indonesian citizens. Together, we can build a brighter future for our nation and our life. Thank you.
Okay, hello all. I am Romario Vegas Francisco Marsal from the class of IF46 INT. Now, in this occasion, I'm going to give my opinion and perception regarding to the civic learning motion. So for me personally, civic learning actually it's about learning how to be a good citizen and individual in the one place. So by learning civic education during one semester in informatics in this fourth semester, I'm not only learn about how to be a good individual and a good citizenship, but I also learn about the political system as well as the governance of the Republic of Indonesia. In the meanwhile, on the other hand, I also learn many things starting from the Indonesian history, the origins of Pancasila to several important social phenomena that have occurred in Indonesian history. To be honest, I am grateful for learning civic education because by this I can know more about Indonesia and I can realize and feel more that I am now living in Indonesia. That means I also part of Indonesia for now. So even though I am originally from other country, which is I am a foreign citizen, I am from Timor Leste, but through this civic education, I have learned and understood well how to be a global good citizen and uphold humanitarian values in everyday life. Because for me, civic learning at the end of the day, it refers to creating an individuals who know their right and duties in the community and in the national life. So I think that's all about my opinion and pendidikan kewarganegaraan adalah hal yang wajib untuk semua orang bisa mendapatkannya. So that's all from me. Thank you and until in the next time.
Hello everyone, my name is Millennial. I want to talk about my perception of the learning civics. For me, learning civics is crucial for Indonesian citizens and students for me. It fosters a deep understanding of their rights, duties, and the workings of their government by grasping the principles of Pancasila, the 1945 Constitution, and the nation's democratic process. Individuals become empowered to participate actively and responsibility in civic life. Civics education cultivates a sense of national identity and unity, promoting tolerance and respect for the country's rich diversity. It also equips students with the critical thinking skills necessary to address the societal challenges and contribute to the development of a just and prosperous Indonesia. Ultimately, civics education ensures that future generations are prepared to uphold and advance the democratic values upon which the nation is built. And about my experience of I'm studying civics was very enjoyable for like 4 months. We learned a lot of things. It feel like we weren't studying anymore, but like discussion about this country, Indonesia, including the about the regions of Indonesia, how to be good Indonesian citizen, things that could destroy Indonesia, human rights or harm, and then last we talk about corruption. And I think that's all that I want to talk about my perception. Thank you.